Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll be leaving the city limits of Dubuque, Iowa, heading south on US Highway 61. US 61 is a 4-lane dual carriageway throughout all of this video, and in the last few minutes of the video we'll be off of the original alignment of the highway. We'll be driving mostly through farmland, and the highway avoids passing through any towns. The weather has turned less than ideal, but we won't see any heavy rain, just gray skies and a light drizzle. We entered Jackson County, which had a population of 19,485 as of the 2020 census. The county was formed on December 21, 1837, and named after U.S. President Andrew Jackson. Jackson County attractions include the 22,000 square foot County Museum, 2 floors of facts, photos, and artifacts that together tell the incredible story of Jackson County, Iowa. In 1950, Don Thomas moved his Clinton Machine Company from Clinton, Michigan to Maquoketa, Iowa, where they quickly became a world leader in small engine manufacture. The 12-acre site yielded over 18 million engines, making the company the 10th largest employer in Iowa, drawing workers from over 33 different communities in 3 states. The administration building on the National Register of Historic Places is the only building still standing and is now the home of the Clinton Engines Museum. The 1876 Lamont Depot burned in a tragic fire in 1910 but was rebuilt on the same spot the following year. It was a busy place for the next 25 years when the blizzards of 1936 and the effects of the Great Depression closed the line for good. The Little Milwaukee Depot sat deserted until 1994, when purchased and restored by Rick and Dixie Clausen. Then in 2015, the land on which it sat was sold and the building donated to the Historical Society. It was moved 20 miles to the Clinton Engine site in Maquoketa. The area around Maquoketa was very well known for its limestone cliffs, and in 1870 Alfred Hurst began a small lime kiln. That one small kiln soon turned into 4 large kilns run by teams of men. Horses hauled wagons of the famous Anamosa limestone, used for mortar to build strong brick buildings. Hurst died in 1915 and technology found new ways of building. The lime kilns fell into a great state of decay and began to crumble. In 1985, the Jackson County Historical Society began to restore the kilns to their rightful glory, ensuring this important piece of Jackson County could still be visited today. On the right is Fulton Road, which goes through the ghost town of Fulton, and that road is the original route of US 61. The current route runs just 1/2 mile to the east and parallel to the old 2-lane highway for most of the remainder of this video. The 4-lane highway we're now on was built all new in the 1990s. Here, old US 61 crosses, and on the left is Hurstville Road. After the new alignment of US 61 opened to traffic in the 90s, Hurstville Road became US 61 business through Maquoketa, but that has since been decommissioned and reduced to a county road. On the right is a sign that says Wyoming Exit 158, which is out of place because we're still a few miles from Exit 158, but I wanted to point it out since it's not referring to the state of Wyoming, but an Iowa town to the west of here. And this is the second time I've had to give an explanation of this in this series because the northern terminus of US 61, where this all started, is in Wyoming, Minnesota. We conclude today's video as we enter the city of Maquoketa. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.